Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD84, boiler combustion.
Done.
Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, manually put 100% to airflow controller. Observe the opening of damper to 100%.
Airflow.
Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, push start button of purging. Button will remain pressed when purging is in progress.
Done.
Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, when purging is finished, put 10% to airflow controller. Observe the damper position in 10%.
Oiler LLANTO speaking. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir. Manually put 20% to fuel oil controller. Oiler LLANTO. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir. Push burner 1 on when damper position is 10% using diesel. Oiler LLANTO, Chief Engineer Sir, Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, reset the boiler trip.
Done. Next.
Oiler LLANTO, Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put airflow controller to auto.
LENCIANO sir. Chief Engineer Jordan sir. Put fuel oil control to auto. Oiler LENCIANO sir. Chief Engineer Jordan sir. Put oxygen controller to auto.
Next.
Oiler LENCIANO sir. Chief Engineer Jordan sir. Put master controller to auto.
Next.
Oiler LENCIANO sir. Chief Engineer Jordan sir. Go to MD05. Open HFO. Supply valve.
Oiler PURISIMA sir. Chief Engineer Jordan sir. Go to MD84. Start heavy fuel oil supply pump. Chief Engineer Jordan sir. Open steam inlet valve to heater.
Jordan, sir. Open steam tracing valve. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put your cursor and press burner management and pop-up window appear. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Check the requirements that is not yet on. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open atomizing steam valve. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. If all requirements are on, except the heavy fuel oil select valve, put cursor to three-way valve to select from diesel oil to heavy fuel oil and press passive button. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Switch atomizer from air to steam. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. When burner management is ready, press on. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. When steam pressure reaches 5.5 bars, stop burner number 1. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Change over burner type to heavy fuel oil. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD05 Heavy Fuel Oil Service Tank. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open suction valve to diesel oil storage tank and shut off valve.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open discharge valve to diesel oil service tanks.
Next.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD08 Diesel Oil Purifier.
Next.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Start purifier motor by pressing on.
Next.
Oiler GARLAN, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Start diesel oil feed pump, change flow rate to 50%, sir. Oiler Garland, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open steam inlet valve to heater, sir. Oiler Garland, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put to temperature controller to auto with a set point of 58 degrees Celsius, sir. Oiler Garland, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open hot water sealing valve, sir.
Oiler Pulido, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Fill up operating water tank to normal level. Oiler Pulido, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put purifier control to auto.
Next.
Oiler Pulido, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD06 number 1 HF0 O pala, separator, sir. Oiler Pulido, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Start HFO purifier motor.
Next.
Oiler Alonzo, Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open the water supply valve.
Next.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Fill up operating water tank to normal level.
Next.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put 50% to flow control valve.
Next.
Oiler Alonso, Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD05. Open discharge valve to HFO service tank.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD04, drain settling tank water content by opening the drain valve. Close if okay, then open number 1 heavy fuel oil settling tank suction and shut off valve.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open settling tank number 1, refire recirculating valve. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open transfer pump filling valve to settling tank. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD03, open for bunker suction valve. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open pump discharging valve.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Start transfer pump number 1. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD06 and start heavy fuel oil feed pump. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open steam inlet valve to heater. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put temperature controller to auto with a set point of 98 degrees Celsius. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. When fuel temperature reached above 98 degrees Celsius, press L cap to start.